Welcome fam, Coach Nate here. Today we're unlocking mobility, waking up your core and stretching out tight hips because let's be real, your body needs this reset. Ever wake up feeling stiff, like your hips are locked, your back is tight and your body just isn't ready to move? You're not alone. Too much sitting? Your hips are paying the price. Waking up stiff? Your muscles are begging for movement. Feeling sluggish? It's time to fire up your body and take back control. This routine is for anyone who sits too much, wakes up stiff, or just wants to start their day feeling loose and strong. No equipment is needed, just 5 minutes and you're mat. You can do this at home, in your office, or even post-workout at the gym. We're activating your hips, stretching the spine, and improving flexibility. Every move flows into the next, so your body wakes up naturally. By the end, I promise you'll feel looser, more mobile, and ready to own your day. And if you sit at a desk for hours, I have something special for you at the end. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Let's hit the mat. Your hips hold tension like a locked door. Let's get the key and unlock them. Start in a kneeling position, feet flexed. Lower your hips to your heels, then drive them forward by squeezing your glutes. Move smoothly, feel the fire in your hips and legs. I promise this wakes up your hip flexors, strengthens your glutes, and preps your lower body for real movement. If you sit a lot, this is a non-negotiable. Beginners, use your hands for balance. Advanced stretches, hold a light weight for more intensity. Feeling that burn? Good. That's your body waking up. Now, let's add some rotation to really open things up. Time to loosen up those stiff hips and unlock your lower back. Let's move like we're made to move. Kneel with your hands on your hips. Gently sway your hips side to side in a smooth, controlled motion. Keep your core engaged and let the movement feel natural. I promise this movement resets your hips, relieves low back tension, and improves balance. Your spine will thank you. Beginners, keep movements slow and small. Advanced stretches increase range and fluidity. Your hips are unlocking, but are they really ready for full rotation? Let's stand up or stay kneeling to take this to the next level with full hula hoops. This one's fun, effective, and your lower back is going to love it. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Rotate your hips in large circles, keeping your core tight. Breathe deep, feel your spine loosen, and let your body move freely. I promise this move boosts hip mobility, loosens tight muscles, and wakes up your lower spine. It's a full reset for your entire lower body. Beginners, start with smaller, slower circles. Advanced stretches, speed it up for extra activation. Can you make your circles bigger? Just push it 1% more. Now that we've warmed up the hips, let's stretch them deep. Your hips carry so much stress. Let's stretch them open and breathe deeper. From a kneeling position, extend your right leg out to the side. Place your right hand on your thigh and reach overhead, feeling a deep stretch through your side body. Swing your arm gently for 1 minute. Breathe into the stretch and feel your posture reset. I promise this move opens up your hip flexors, obliques, and shoulders. It's the key to better posture, better movement, and less tightness. Beginners, keep the hand on your hip for support. Advanced stretches deepen the reach for a stronger stretch. Can you reach just 1% further? Feel the space open up. Let's balance it out. Switch sides. Don't leave your left side behind. Balance is everything. Extend your left leg out to the side. Reach your left arm overhead, stretching from hip to rib cage. Swing your arm gently, breathe into the stretch and let your body expand. I promise, stretching both sides evenly improves flexibility, reduces tightness, and helps your body move as it was meant to. Beginners keep a light bend in the knee for support. Advanced stretches reach further for a deeper extension. This is your last stretch. Hold it, breathe, let your body absorb the change. And just like I promised, if you spend hours at a desk, don't stop here. Your body needs more than this. I created something special for you. Go grab the free desk worker stretching guide. It's packed with morning, midday, evening stretches, desk workouts, office ergonomic tips, and much more to keep your body pain-free and flexible. Click the link in the description or pin comment before you forget. Your future self will thank you. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.